Hi, my name is Celia Rivas Mendive, and this is where I work. I work at the Congressional Research Service, the public policy research arm of the United States Congress. We're about 700 employees. Obviously, we're part of the Library of Congress, and we basically provide public policy research and analysis on a whole array of topics. Basically, anything that's being debated on the floor, we have an expert covering that area. I get to do things like go speak to students at different universities, whether they be local or, I've gotten a chance to travel, to go to Georgia and Colorado and really share, about CRS, about what we do and our mission, and really try to guide students as far as the application process goes and kind of answer any questions they might have. So right now we are at the main cafeteria of the Library of Congress, where I get my daily coffee, or my morning coffee, or afternoon, or evening coffee, depending on the day. I think some of the most common misconceptions that people have about working for the federal government is that it's boring, that it's always the same, but it's so much more than that. Because if you're really passionate about public service, then you make it what you want it to be. And the federal government is changing constantly. I mean, there's 4 different generations that are working all together. So there's so much that we can learn from each other about making the federal government better and more effective. I think as a recruitment coordinator, I have the opportunity to meet all kinds of people. I've always been interested in serving, and public service for me is a calling. And so I just feel like I have the perfect job that combines all of my passions. I have a bachelor's degree in political science from the University of Arizona, and I have a master's degree in public administration also from the University of Arizona. So I'm a true wildcat. I was born in the United States, but I grew up in a very small town on the US-Mexico border on the Mexican side. So for me, coming here from a very small town is just another world. And it's just so amazing to be able to be here as a child of immigrants and to really appreciate this country and the opportunities that I have found here. I mean, I work for the federal government, and I feel that that's a great way for me to give back to this country that has given me and my family so much. And now, if you'll excuse me, I need to go get my second cup of coffee, so I'll catch you later.